I'm going to show you how to use the Exocad WebView. If you receive an HTML, you can open it in your phone or your computer. You're going to need Surf from Microsoft on a PC, or you're going to use Chrome. For Android and Apple, you need to download the app for the Exocad WebView. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see the little I, and you're going to see small lines over there. That is the menu of the different scans that are over there, and the diagnostic wax app, or the design that was made on this case. Also, you're going to see that each one of them has an arrow on the left hand side. So if we press on that arrow, that's going to open additional scans. So we can see that there is the upper and the lower pre-op scans. The reason why we have jaw scans and pre-op scans is because the designer used the pre-ops, use one of the scans, original scans, as the pre-op, and then he took another scan of the same and he reduced the teeth that he was going to work on. So that way he was not going to have limitations and he can put his teeth wherever he needs. And then also you can view how much he is using of that, and if any tooth is going to have further reduction. You can see right here. So he can see where he was originally, where the patient was before, and where we are taking the patient. And you can take each one of them, and if you look at the eye that is over there, if we look again at the pre-op scans menu, there is an eye over there. We can remove upper and lower, or I can remove each one individually. Over there I remove the upper just by clicking on the eye, or I can remove both. That's how the wax app is going to look. And if I want to see how much reduction is going to be required, I can put them back again. I can go to the full anatomy and I'm going to click and open both of them, and let's see in the upper how much I'm going to need. To manipulate your objects in Exocad, what you need to do is, with the left click, you press on the left click of your mouse and then you can move your object in any direction. Okay. To zoom in and out, you just, on the wheel, you roll the wheel back and forth. Okay. So if I'm going to make the upper, I take that the slide that is at 100% and I start reducing, as you can see on the menu. And now I can see, if I move the object, I can see how much. So on this one, the doctor is going to need more reduction. But we can see that on the mesial of the molar, there is going to be less reduction. So that's compared to the full anatomy before the reduction was made to do the wax up. I can remove those and I can see how much also the technician reduced on those teeth to do the design. Okay. And you can remove any part that you want on the case. So you can study in detail each one of the components of the design. I hope that this is helpful.